Wishing Vijay a very happy birthday, 55th birthday. And what is important on our birthday, especially after middle age or old age, is to introspect what work we have done, what we have achieved, and what we can still do for our land and for our people. Vijay has been doing human service in this matter, but unfortunately it has not turned very efficient because we have an unresponsive and insensitive government. He has taken up very relevant issues for Goa and for Goans. And I hope he will continue this in future. And with the support of all the opposition, he will lead or cooperate with all the opposition parties to dislodge this government and have a better government for Goa and for Goans. Vijay has done a lot of work for his constituency. But what is also important is that he does a lot of work for Goa. He has done, no doubt, but he should continue to do, because for us, it's our constituency alone is not important. It is important that we look at Goa, because Goa overall is getting damaged. Maybe we are not allowing it in our own constituency, but even allowing it elsewhere is a crime. I feel that, just like Vijay has been working for his constituency, he will continue working for Goa and for Goans to see what improvements can be done and how this land, whatever is left of our land, can be saved for future generations.